If writing product reviews feels like climbing Everest with flip-flops, you're probably crying into your coffee every time a new offer drops. 1C Review Builder claims it can fix all that without tech, writing, or waiting. Sounds magical. Let's see if it actually delivers or if we're about to expose another tool that promises NASA-level power and gives calculator-level output. Hey, Kamal from TestedApps.com here. 6 years in affiliate marketing, hundreds of tools tested, thousands wasted on software that promised the moon and delivered a potato. Today, you're getting an honest look at 1C Review Builder software business package. Real insights, no hype, no fairy dust. Quick note, if you grab it using my link below, you unlock my tech-tested exclusive bonus vault. Over 100 premium tools, trainings, and assets waiting for you inside the member area. More details in the description. So what exactly is 1C Review Builder? It's a rebrandable Chrome extension and full PLR business package. You use it to create instant product reviews, affiliate content, descriptions, bullets, social posts, emails, and more. The twist, you don't just use the tool. You can rebrand it, rename it, sell it as your own software, and keep every dollar. No coding, no writing, no tech struggle. Perfect for beginners, affiliates, YouTubers, bloggers, and anyone who wants a digital product without spending months or hiring developers. The workflow is shockingly simple. 3 steps. Step 1, visit any sales page. Easier than logging into some hosting panels that look like they were built in 1992. Step 2, click the extension and choose the tone. No PhD and AI prompts needed. Step 3, the software reads the page and creates a full review and promo kit in seconds. Boom, instant content. No more sitting there wondering what the product does while your brain slowly restarts. Here's what actually moves the needle for marketers. Feature 1, Instant Review Generator. This kills the biggest pain point. You don't need to write anything. You get a full structured review with overview, pros, cons, verdict, rating, and more. Feature 2, Complete Affiliate Kit Generator. You get bullets, email swipes, short descriptions, ad headlines, hashtags, and captions. Saves hours every week. Feature 3, Full PLR Rights. This is the emotional win. You finally get your own software product without building anything. You can sell it, use it as a lead magnet, bundle it, put it inside funnels, or offer it as a bonus. This is how you build authority fast without burning cash. Front-end price is only $27, one time. Let's put that in perspective. AI writing tools can charge $30 to $50 per month. White label software platforms can charge $97 per month. This one, pay once, use forever, sell it forever, no recurring bills haunting you at 3 a.m. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
What if you could turn any product page into a fully structured, persuasive product review, complete with an affiliate kit in under 60 seconds? No writing, no research, no formatting, no waiting. Just visit a sales page, click one button, and boom, a complete review appears like magic. Structured overview, pros and cons, who it's for, suggested rating, final verdict, plus a full affiliate kit consisting of emails, bullet points, captions, hashtags, and more. That's what 1C Review Builder does. It's a smart Chrome extension built for busy marketers who want to promote more products, but don't have hours to waste writing reviews or creating promo content from scratch. Whether you're an affiliate, content creator, coach, blogger, or beginner, this extension makes it one-click simple to create polished, persuasive promos. But here's where it gets even better. You're not just getting access to the tool, you're getting the entire business. This isn't just software you use, it's software you own. You can sell it as your own product, you can rebrand it in minutes, you can give it away, bundle it, or add it to a funnel. This is a rebrandable software business package fully built and ready to go. You get the software, Chrome extension, sales page, landing page, and thank you page copy. You get all the graphics and banners, instruction videos for you and your customers, editable source files, and full PLR rights to make it your own. Just rebrand, upload, and start selling. No coding, no design, no product creation, just a plug and play shortcut into the world of software profits. And because this is a tool marketers actually need, you're not just selling another shiny object, you're offering real value with real earning potential. Use it yourself to create effortless affiliate promos, or flip it into a branded product and keep 100% of the profits. It's perfect for digital marketers, affiliates, coaches, side hustlers, beginners, or anyone tired of not having something of their own to sell. So if you've ever wished you had your own product, if you've been stuck waiting for the right time to start selling software, or if you just want something that works without the usual barriers, 1C Review Builder is the answer. Scroll down now to see everything that's included and claim your software business in a box before this special offer disappears. Because you could be making your first sale before today is over.
There are optional upgrades. Here's the simple breakdown. Upgrade 1, the Use It Kit, $37. Helpful if you want more templates and faster workflows. Upgrade 2, the Custom Bonus Kit, $67. This one is great if you want done-for-you bonuses for your own promotions. Upgrade 3, Agency Rights, $147. This unlocks selling the software to clients, perfect for freelancers. Upgrade 4, White Label Kit, $497. This is the big boy pack, full rebranding freedom, great for people who want their own SaaS brand. Upgrades 5 to 8 are low-ticket enhancements, traffic tools, extra systems, and more helpful add-ons. Only buy what you need. The front end is already strong on its own. I ran this tool through my normal torture test. I opened a random sales page, clicked the extension, and waited to see if it would crash like half the tools I try. It didn't. In under 10 seconds, I had a full review, bullet points, and email swipes. As someone who has written hundreds of reviews manually, this feels like going from bicycle to bullet train. The PLR angle is the real gem here. Owning software without building it is a massive shortcut for beginners. Now, let's be clear. This is not a magic button that prints money while you nap. You still need to upload your rebranded version, set up a sales page, and get traffic. If you want something that generates commissions without you ever showing up, this is not it. If you can follow simple steps, this is perfect. Picture this. You open your laptop tomorrow, and instead of staring at a blank review page, you click one button and have your entire promo ready. Then imagine selling your own software the same day without hiring anyone or waiting months. That's what this package unlocks. But launch pricing will not stay low. If this aligns with your goals, grab it now using the link below. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. If this review helped you, hit like and subscribe for more real reviews. This is Kamal from TestedApps.com. See you in the next one.